Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to create unlimited Facebook accounts without having phone number. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open your browser and open Facebook and click on create new account and search here 10-minute email and open this first website 10minutemail.com, and inside of this website you will get a virtual email for 10 minutes and you can use this email to create Facebook accounts. So now click on copy and give here your first name, and give here the copied email address. Here re-enter the email and give here the password and select birth date and select the gender from here and click on sign up. And here we can see Facebook has been sent a verification code to this email. Now we need to go to the email provider website and scroll down, and here we can see I got the verification code from the Facebook. So all you have to need, just copy the little code from here and paste the code here, continue, and here you can see my account has been confirmed. And the same way you will get another email 10 minutes later. You will get here another email, and using that email you can create another Facebook account. The same way you can create unlimited Facebook accounts. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.